So your mother is still selling soup?
Yeah, because she no want to stop.
Where does she sell soup?
Right how we yard front there, so.
Free for chat, all of them mama youth. Never baking nothing, never baking on the soup. Bang.
For more civilized age.
Like I'm a shirt, like I'm a shirt. Fear me just in a simon a star, be a fat pussy girl, the quarter power. When you make it, them have you as a target. Cheap clock, hey, you figure bust them forward. Watch the man in one easy boy check as a cold life, then I represent for Fear me just, you don't know you have the best review. People them don't know say a show, don't know say how the vlog God. Everything wicked and wild, well bad. Code life, we are lucky city, nothing about it, not pretty, don't it. Code!
Oh, no, fuck you and give me shots, Bill. I want the God to shot himself, I want the body in front of him. Crash dummy. I want the God to shot himself, I want the body in front of him.
Up more up, it's never done more up. You don't know if you just there up on a brand new show, a fresh new show. Big up all of my subscribers and all of my viewers them. And all who not subscribe it, nothing at all no change. The door is always open, so no know if you go to. No, definitely war is in the air. No jokes about that, people. It look like we have a next contender enter the ring mighty. We have the young boss himself, Intence, a fire some can over one part there. And in a real life, different from the lyrical binds them when fire people. But nah, like the song well rough, bad, sick, everything in a one. So we are going to run through that track there. But first, we are going to show you why I'm taking the video like this.
Some people come talk about this for record, but I really level about this respect. And the first rule about this is his name respect. See him, respect him from the first time we meet him, and respect for the first time we meet him. From our punish church, if I'm not going to St. John this college, I'm Matic Pam Belly, I'm any pussy that. That's why I rate me, and I respect me. So big up to and any serious to this. You get what I say? Listen, I go and turn on this. Me and Aidonia, Bobo and Aidonia, Govana and Aidonia, Bobo and blood clot. Intence, right? I Intence and Jahshii, we can't kick our push here. Because we are real Bobo clot, Batman. We have misunderstanding. But see, after the misunderstanding, we treat all our friends them like royalty.
Yes, people, I did have to do that blast there from the past there. Now that was a couple weeks ago at Boom Sundays when Finger Pine pan the vlog of them say them I instigate the bag of war we are going in a dance hall. Now big up to Aidonia and big up to Govy. Una try real hard to keep the peace. It can't hide what sister the respect neutral for Jahshii and Intence. So them a try them best to hold down any little buckery we are going between the artists them. Now where them now realize them two young youth are not take no talk. Them not like each other. Plus them brawling, especially Jahshii. Who don't know say Jahshii not afraid for call Intence name.
I'm not saying Intence him get them time with Skilly Bang them or Skilly Bang just last. The whole of them in the bad bro. I mean you go on the stage after Intence.
Yo.
You don't understand saying
No,
Intence
I understand what
show
you're
them for we.
No, I understand what you're saying now.
I remember saying Intence them boss before we, you know, and we are run up after them, you know, and get more rising than them, you know.
Intence brawling to inner people and ready for anything with Jahshii them depend. But him nah call no name.
Level. I'm over you there. And I bought this right through your ear. Young player. We not take bad up, what I do? We not take bad up, you hear that? No boy. You better know that, brother. So anybody about you, brother, you better know. Mix. How them again? But murder, who never hear the name called for no murder. Shot to the set, I
Now the reason why I'm showing all of these people, cause again, Intence step out brawling and a fire shot. Only thing this time he never do it on a stage show, nor on Instagram. Him take it musically, which is a damn good thing when I encourage 100%. Cause at the end of the day, a money he put in his pocket right there. If he bring the war to the street, a money he take out of his pocket right there. So the best thing for do is for fire lyrical binds, not physical. No vlogger never instigate that one here. As I said before, Intence and Jahshii not like each other. So the man them need to stop point finger upon the vlogger them and say them I instigate this Intence and Jahshii beef. The man them not take no talk from nobody, obviously. And that track here from Intence definitely prove that.
Can give me chat when I fuck so no bill. I want the bad for shot himself, I want the bad in front of him. I want the dead and bury your remember him. Them can't go round the flame with a lyrical youth a bring.
So that's Intence new official music video entitled Correction. And it's a futuristic music and a crash dummy production. Big up to the production team, well put together project, different from the Subliminal, this them. And yes people, that one here Subliminal, the artist never called no name in which him need for stop it, although some of the binds them direct people and connect in a real life. No boy can't give me no chat who nah fuck so Bill, the one that bad for shot himself. That one there, bad in front of him. Now the first line with Intence say, yo, boy, nah fuck and want him chat. That one there kinda wide. It can go for Shawn and it can go for Vybz Karetl, or it can even go for both of them. Because him say uno, which mean more than one in a patwa. Remember already you see this up Intence wicked enough people. So line they can definitely go for him. I don't know Intence this Vybz Karetl back then already in a voice note where him say him nah follow up Karetl cause him nah get no pussy. So line they not really direct people, but we know say over the Gaza camp where him fire offer. Now you see the second line when Intence fire off our next artist, it definitely connect people. And one artist alone in a dance hall who know shot themselves. The artist talk it already brawling for an interview. We are speak of Jahshii, the First Nation General. The one they bad for shot himself, definitely the line they go for Jahshii. The next two line after that they wide again people. The one they bad in front of film, the only actor in a movie we know Intence no good with, in our dance hall and Vybz Karetl. Remember the teacher star a movie back then in our people and alone man him kick up in night. So a line they can go for teacher people. Now the next line Intence say yo the one they dead and bury. Who remember him? Again we off. That can go for any artist who shoot off a Intence and their music career drop off. So Intence found out a shoot in a real life people but alone Subliminal can. So far, and one direct can fire what I can confirm. Another one we go for Jahshii. The Norfolk line, but don't show if a Siva or the teacher or both of them. Remember, both of the entertainer them there behind the bars, and both of them Intence no good with.
The killer man we dead already charge that I see him. Couldn't mad for bad me up, them never bother legally. When I fi call no name, I coulda big the cap of it. Finger play the chica, no she know they punish.
No doubt, for sure, Intence fire off a two camp. The First Nation camp and the Gaza under extreme attack. Now where the Sikka Rymes went on Instagram and deal with Intence wicked. Sikka Rymes say Intence I'll block him, a move like a bitch. Now you see the line there we just play, go directly for Sikka Rymes people. Remember say the Gaza VP been a fire off of Intence long before the Instagram posted. For kill a man we dead already, dog, charge it, that a sin brother. Them couldn't mad for bad me up because them never bother Ligani. Now when you hear about none am to Vybz Karetl nor Shawn nor Jahshii up a Ligani. And one artist who know for a tragic incident reach up a Ligani. And that are the Gaza VP, Sikka Rymes. The entertainer attend a segment over Sandy Park that night. And when him a forward in through the Ligani area, gunman pounced up on him. The entertainer received multiple shots. But you don't know him live for see another day people. So it's like Intence I use that pan Sikka Rymes and say, yo, oh that boy have for bad me up. And the man them nearly dash him way up a Ligani. The entertainer also follow up that exact line and say him nah for call no name. Who the cap fit, let them wear it. What a piece of chorus from Intence. It catchy, it have a vibe, him flow sick. Him forward for a vintage lyrics from couple greats. Him mock the opponents them way my shade. Believe me people, a well put together bodied chorus. It basically full of everything. Laugh off of them. Ha 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 ha. I know me make them nah get no punana nah. Creative piece of disrespect to what Shawn and Vybz Karetl people. And I have to say the two of them people, I can't call one. Because Intence never specify. But like I said before, it can go for both of them. I use my money for girl, I have to have no bag of talk. Bad from me a pitney, mommy third outlaw. The entertainer then went further and used a vintage lyrics. The exact lyrics and flow here also recycled already by Vybz Karetl. So I don't know if I mock Intence or mock the entertainer, I am did like the old time lyrics and flow as well, so I recycle it like teacher. Shala la 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 la. Girl along her tongue in the dance. As you can see the artist refix it theme way. Nah lie, the track here well bad from Intence. The only thing the song like a name people, Intence should have call name. But couple of the target connect. When you hear the entertainer make a talk where him say, oh the cap fit, let them wear it.
Big up every sale, black and big up every bar. Hell, Santa Merry Christmas, the 9X clean. And that the Christmas tree, 11:30. 9:15 and around 16, figure shake up a place. Violent team.
No, a bag of lyrics are spit, a bag of lyrics Intence just spitting up people. But here we go on, make we talk about the ending part of the chorus. Una hear Intence say big up every cell block, big up every bar. Now the artist definitely careful to owe my layout and disrespect here to the artist them behind the bars. And we are talking in regards to Shawn Storm and Vybz Karetl situation. Intence this to entertain and make the people know so them not get in front. And we all know why them not get in front, them they behind the bars. So if you not make other set of jailer pray the entertainer wicked, Intence big up every cell block and big up every bar. Tell Santa Merry Christmas the 9X clean. Under the Christmas tree 11:30, 9:15 and a raw 16. We go shake up the place, violent team. Them bag of time there, them bag of number they wanna hear. 9X, 9:15, 11:15. Don't feel like an actual time Intence a talk about. No, I don't feel like a maths or algebra the entertainer I don't want to hear about 9X. Definitely at the whole I and them Intence a talk about the matic them people. So I definitely know what time it is. Grimy, lyrical, bad piece of track from the artist. You don't know what all it talk truth around here.
Santa, you better load the Christmas key to Harry Potter. Ring them fully guard, one bag of shatter. Float from the boat, you tickling mother. Man, live a life disgusting, laugh off of them, ha ha ha.
Yo, Intence I yarn some things there no people. Them sound grimy and well bad. We don't know what do the entertainer and Santa still. It come like Santa do the entertainer something. Santa, you better load the Christmas and give it to Harry Potter. We ring them fully guard, one bag of shatter. Lyrics right there from Intence people in a real life. It may be talking simple, but it's not a normal line from the entertainer. We all know Harry Potter. Harry Potter a classic piece of movie. And it's all about sorcery and witchcraft and them kind of superstition thing the people. And that's why Intence say, yo, Santa for load the Christmas to Harry Potter. Can bring them well guard up.
Them free for chat, all of them mama youth. Never begging nothing, never begging on the soup. On the highway, yo, fat to fly the coupe. Zombie, no more lie, no the truth.
But tell you already, you know, whenever this kind of white people, Jahshii one is direct. The fire them Intence make off of Jahshii definitely connect. Them afraid for chat, all of them are me youth. Now basically in a Gaza, every artist a fire off of Intence already, bust before him. So I could never a Gaza artist Intence and say, yo, all of them are me youth. Me I go show you exactly who Intence attack with the next line. Never beg you nothing, never beg your mother soap. Now wish young artist mother sell soap and them talk that brawling. When you go and go watch for the ER interview with Anthony Milan Jahshii. Jahshii talk it brawling, say mother sell soap right at the yard front. I remember say grand spend away Intence the regular, so more than likely buy a soap from Jahshii mother already. So Intence basically I make Jahshii know a brawling, say him never yet beg him nor none of him family member them. So him don't know what the hype for. People, as you can see, a bag of buckry take place. War is in the air, and Intence not take no talk. Leave in the comment here and make me know the thoughts and opinion on the current situation. For now, I'm out. That was it for the show. Big up all of my subscribers and all of the viewers who must stay until the end of the show. Really appreciate it. Bless up on yourself and go and live good.
Jungle 12, running on them planes, you know, body now left. Vietnam, what of them? Coach Jenny for no young. 12 lane, big yard, why meds?